Following the St. Margaret's High Secondary Class Band and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is St. Edward's School, Shillong, led by its commander, Anthony Ivan Mountain. Following St. Edward's School and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is May Queen Secondary School, Howline, led by Following May Queen School, Howline, arriving at the saluting guys is St. High Secondary School, led by its commander, Nahul Berti. Following the St. Hazel Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais is St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Brass Band, led by its commander, Beauty Lisa G. Mohammed. Arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is Leeds Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Milmarie Chapon. Arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute now is R.D. Ocean Hindi Secondary School, led by its commander, Sunan Prasad. Following R.B. Ocean Hindi Secondary School and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is St. Jerome's High Secondary School, Longwood Song, led by its commander, Louisiana Nombre. Following St. Jerome's High Secondary School and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is Holy Cross High Secondary School, led by its commander, Artisha Surya. Arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute now is Hillcrest Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Anissa Nombo. Following Hillcrest Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is St. John's Higher Secondary School, Laban, led by its commander, Vanilla Shisha Nongpao. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the Assam Rifles Public School Horse Contingent, led by its commander, Tapasya Kirtan.
It is the request of the Honorable Chief Minister that should at any point of time during the speech any of marching contingents feel the need, they may request for water from the volunteers present in the field in order to keep themselves hydrated. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for that striking display of the parade contingents at the 80th Independence Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of untiring efforts put in by the contingents, the drill masters, the instructors braving the heat the past few days. Ladies and gentlemen, Special mention is also made to Sri R. Walang, the Additional Deputy Commissioner of East Kasias District, for being the Coordinator-in-Chief in charge of overseeing the entire march past performance performed with sublime praises.